Hi, I'm Jasvinder Singh Bindra, a commerce media director at M+C Saatchi Performance. M+C Saatchi Performance is a global performance marketing agency established in the year 2006 with a focus on mobile and digital marketing. We tailor services to help brands grow. We offer comprehensive media planning and buying services across all digital channels. Our team of specialists also develops digital creatives for clients, ensuring a holistic and effective approach. We deliver profitable, measurable results for clients by understanding their business, objectives, and audiences. I joined M+C Saatchi Performance in 2024 after 12 years working on commerce media for brands such as Amazon, Target, and Google as a vendor. I am based in Bangalore and I work with a wide range of clients for many sectors. For example, grocery and gourmet, home and furniture, and electronics. At M+C Saatchi Performance, my role primarily entails working with clients to understand their commerce media marketing goals and creating strategies to ensure they achieve these goals. Commerce media is a fantastic channel for advertisers because it builds brand awareness, increases product visibility, and fundamentally drives sales on retail platforms. Simplifying the complex, we provide guidance on retail media platforms to help clients understand different platforms and suggest the best for them. Commerce media is a rapidly evolving, fragmented, and a complex landscape, and new partnership or platforms open every week. We help clients understand the landscape of various platforms and strategize where to run the campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Targeting, helping with developing highly targeted campaigns based on insights, different from each retail platforms. Data-driven campaign optimization to maximize the results. Budget efficiency, we enable media efficiency by improving targeting and measurement. Commerce media help brands to optimize their ad spend in challenging economic climate. Omni-channel integration, commerce media can help bridge the gap between online and offline shopping experience, creating a more seamless customer journey. Commerce media strategies are crucial for boosting key sales period. By tapping into seasonal trends and understanding what customers want during this particular period, marketers can tailor their campaigns for maximum impact. Using targeting ads, optimizing budgets, and adapting strategies in real time based on data insights can lead to a significant increase in sales and better engagements with customers. Commerce media utilizes first-party data to deliver highly targeted ads throughout their purchase journey. Use advanced tools to track campaign performance to discover trends and improve. Build strong relationship with retail media platforms, which gives us a client exclusive access to information and opportunities. We use end-to-end tracking from ad exposure to purchase, enabling accurate attribution and ROI measurement. I'm really proud of a campaign we did with a hair and a beauty company. We helped them build their brand from the ground up. A plan included using retail media marketing, influencers, social media ads, and emails. The campaign was very well successful. It made a lot more people aware of the brands, brought more visitors to the website, and increased sales. The company was really happy with the results, and we helped them to create a strong start for their business.